2025 Range Rover Evoque isn't going anywhere because it's protected with the Halo Mini. So we've got the key, we can get into the vehicle, start it up. Customer can remote start if they have it in the app with the Range Rover preheat and they know the vehicle's going nowhere. We have no lights on the gearbox, it's completely immobilised, it's not coming out of park, so you're going to be unable to drive it away with just the key. So what we have is a push sequence. We have simple 1, 2, 3, 4. For the video we get a flash on the dash, the gearbox light comes on and we can select our gear and drive away. When we turn the car off, it activates more or less straight away, confirmed with 2 flashes, and as soon as someone grabs the key after this, tries to steal the vehicle, you know it's going nowhere and it's protected. So we've got, as you saw, no lights on the gearbox, the vehicle's running, unable to drive it away even though we have the key. We pop our code in, receive a flash on the dash, you'll see the lights also come back on the gearbox and it allows us to drive away. If you're taking this for a service, you can switch the system off entirely, so Range Rover don't need to know there's anything on here. You don't need to give them the code, it's like you've never had anything fitted. This is the Halo Mini once again on the 2025 Range Rover Evoque. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.